Welcome back. So quickly before today's video, this channel is changing a little bit. This is the main kind of content I'm going to post here. My professional work is no longer going to be posted to this channel, but a lot of you have come around because of my 370Z. I know you guys will enjoy this content, so let's get on with it. Also stick around till the end. I'm picking up my favorite comment and it's going to be a good one. So I've gotten a lot of questions lately about the 370 and mainly is, have you sold it? And no, I have not. It's still here. I've got my new car as a replacement for it as a daily. And today I am trying to decide what kind of race car I'm going to build out of it. And if you guys can help, that'd be great, but let's think about it. The reason why I came to this spot is because it's a brand new development area, no houses, just land, and I want to see if I can get the shot that I have in my head. If it goes well, I'll insert it right here. Okay, so to go over my thought process, this car is completely stock on the interior. I do think that turning it into the time attack car that I want to build is a little more involved than doing the drift build, and this car is really good for drifting as it is. So maybe turn this car into a drift car, and then later on when I want to do a time attack car, I do a full aero build, strip down everything, and that will be on a different chassis. So yeah, I'd welcome any suggestions on that. Of course, this is still to be decided. I'm leaning towards turning this straight into a drift car. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys have already built a time attack car and then turned it into a drift car, I'd really like to know about that. Thank you for being so active in my DMs on Instagram, but this channel is turning into more of this kind of style, more about my 370 and my own journey in motorsports. This is the part of the video where I dive into the comment section. This is from My Name is Kevin, and it's on the video I did for Bring a Trailer of the Heritage GT500 Mustang. He says, I wanted this car, love the color, please let me know if you still have it. It's not mine, I don't have it. Follows up with, who or what phone number, so can I talk to the owner, sir? And then he tags me and he says, can you please help me with the owner or tell me the information so that I can contact the owner of this car. I'm not going to give you his contact. Very ambitious of you though, I really appreciate that. Anyways, keep commenting down below. I'll do this at the end of every video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.